Hi everyone, welcome to day 7, the final day of this journey here together. Today's final practice does have a bit more core focus because it is ultimately the center place of our body and the powerhouse of so many other things that we look to do in our day and on our mats. That being said, it is of course a full body experience, and today I'm keeping it kind of simple. There'll be 3 separate flow type setups and we'll do each of them twice. When you are ready, we'll start in a seated posture, kneeling in the center of your mat. As mentioned, we're getting started here in the center of our mats on our knees. Facing towards the front, turn your palms ahead, lengthen in the spine, close your eyes, breathe in through the nose, exhale that same way. Great big inhale, fill up, expand, slowly let it out. Really draw those shoulder blades behind you, deeply expand, slowly breathe out that beautiful breath. And with your next inhale, reach all the way up. We're starting to move, tapping your glutes to your heels. Send the right hand to your left knee, left hand down behind you. Inhale, reach up, other side. Right hand down behind you, left hand to your right knee. Amazing. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. Inhale again to reach. Exhaling to lower 5 times. All together, it means we've got 3 more. Move at your own pace. Exhaling to lower down, inhaling to reach and expand, continuing with your breath. With the option here to have your glutes completely connect with your heels or adding on difficulty by hovering, so never allowing the weight to rest. Feel the quads waking up here. Amazing work. Last one. Breathe in, reach up, exhale, lower down. This is our first of 2 attempts. Inhaling, come up tall. Now keep the glutes high over top of your knees. Breathe your hands out to heart center and then drop them down your side. Big breath in. Exhaling to tap your hand to your mat over on the right side of your knee. Inhale back to center. Exhaling, the left hand taps the mat beside your left knee. Inhale back to center. Switching from side to side, doing a total of 5. Focusing on the shoulders, really staying aligned with the hips. Feeling the sides of our midsection working to transfer us from side to side. Last one here, and then hands onto your hips. Shine the heart up, push your hips forward, inhale. Exhale, send your glutes all the way down to meet your heels round the shoulders ahead. And then 4 more times. Inhale, lift those hips up, shine the heart up. Exhaling, lower the glutes down. 3 more at your own pace. Really focusing on that push forward in the hip space as you are up, arching and curving forward as you lower down. Last one, glutes meet the heels, and then inhaling all the way up to that seat. Right away, we reach the arms high and we twist once again. Second round here, tapping the glutes to the heels, hands lower down. Inhale to reach, exhale again, lower as you twist. Beautiful. 4 more at your own pace. Really reaching high, taking up all the space that's there. Lengthen, inhale, exhale, sink low. Maybe you're hovering. Amazing work. As mentioned, we're doing everything twice today. The second round is to practice those first feelings in the body. What can you learn from every movement? How can you deepen and flow more smoothly? Last one here. Inhaling to reach all the way up. Exhaling, hands to heart center. And then palms down beside your thighs. Big breath in. Exhale, the left hand taps down to the mat. Inhale up. Over to the right, tap it down. Breathe in. 4 more to go. Exhale to tap. Inhale, come up. Over again to the right. 3 more at your own pace. Nice and slow with control. Notice if you are slouching in the body at all. Really focus on a tall spine as you go from side to side. Nice work, almost done. And now bringing your hands to your hips, shine those hips forward, arch in the back. Final round of this one here. Lower down, glutes to heels, curve in the back. Inhale again, open the chest and heart. Beautiful. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, open up. Option to stay here in camel pose or find 2 more just like we've been doing. Find what works best in your body. Breathe deeply. And then with control, slowly coming forward, hands to the mat, stepping both feet back, landing in our forearm plank. We hold here and breathe. Check your form. Are your hips and shoulders aligned? Activating in your core space, smiling, but of course, big inhales, big exhales. We're making our way into our second sequence here. This is at the home base of it all. Coming back to this forearm plank many times here. Remember to breathe. With your next exhale, taking it onto the side, forearm plank on the side of the right arm. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale to tap them down 4 more times. Side arm plank, hip dips. Move with your own breath. Slow and controlled. That top foot can come to the mat if you need that extra support from wobbling. With your next exhale breath, left foot steps in front of the right knee. Inhale the left arm up. Exhale, weave the left arm underneath your torso. Reach. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, underneath, reach. 3 more to go. Breathe, twist, slow, controlled movement here. Keep those hips high. Reach as far as you can under the body. Nice work. Last one, and then forearm plank. Resetting here, breathe strong. Like the others going through this sequence only twice, you have got this. Stay in this plank. Another great big inhale, smiling. Rolling over onto the left side, just like we did before, starting with our side forearm plank hip dips. Right hand to your right hip. Inhale to lift the hips high. Exhale to sink them low. 4 more to go. Remember to breathe as you lift up. Exhaling as you dip low. Nice work. With your next exhale, like we did on the other side, send your right foot to the mat in front of your left knee. Right arm reaches all the way up and then slides under the torso. Again, inhale, reach. Exhale, weave the arm underneath, reach as far as you can. Keep moving with your breath. 5 of these all together. Amazing work. Last 2. And final one, how far can you reach? Extend nice and high and then lowering onto your forearms, forearm plank. Second last one here in this sequence. Big breaths in. Hips aligned with your shoulders, gazing low, don't strain your neck here. And then over onto the right side, starting with those hip dips once again. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. 4 more at your own pace. Feeling a little bit more familiar this round. Use that top foot if you need it for support. Inhaling to lift the hips, exhaling to lower. Incredible. Drawing the left foot down to the mat, reach the left arm up, weave it underneath. 4 more to go. Focusing on distance and strength here. Not about speed, more about how far can you take this arm. And then back to our forearm plank as promised. Last one here in this sequence. Big inhales, big exhales. Keep those hips aligned with the shoulders, activating in your core space. And then over onto the left side, forearm plank, hip dips. Here we go. Lift the hips high, exhale to lower them down. Inhaling to lift the hips, exhaling to lower. Nice work. 5 all together. We've been here, feeling familiar. When you are ready, the right foot comes to the mat, inhaling the right arm up, exhale, weave it under. 4 more. Amazing work. Keep breathing. Reach, reach, reach. Keep those hips high. Nice work, almost done. Inhale to reach up, and then coming onto your forearms, lowering to your tummies. Amazing. Take a moment to shake out the feet maybe. Not too big of a break because we're reversing our chaturanga. Tuck your toes, palms placed beside you. Push yourself up into a high plank position. Transition to downward facing dog, hips high, pedal out. Coming into our final flowing series here. Inhale, reach the right foot high. Exhale, knee to nose. 2 more times. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, knee to nose. Again, inhale to reach, exhale, knee to nose, hold, and then step the foot down, crescent lunge as you inhale. Reach the arms, lift on the ball of your left foot. Few breaths. Next, inhale, hands frame the right foot, step to the top of your mat. Didn't think you were getting out of this one without a chair pose. Sink the glutes low, arms lift high. Definitely a great time to smile. Take another big breath in, and then come to a stand. Reach up, exhale, hands to heart center. We are dancing out of this 7-day challenge, coming into dancer's pose next. Right foot stays low, catching your left foot as you bend in the left knee. Option to stay as you are, or start to hinge the body forward. Right arm extends ahead, finding your variation of dancer's pose today. Taking a big breath in into whatever pose you've taken here, and then with your next exhale, release, reach the arms high, inhale, and then breathe out, come down, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale, plant the hands, hop or step to the back of your mat, flow through a vinyasa. Exhaling to lower down, inhale, shine the heart high, exhale, downward facing dog. Right away onto the left foot, reach it up, exhale, knee to nose, 2 more times. Inhale, reach, exhale, hover forward. Inhale, reach, exhale, knee to nose, hold, step the foot down, crescent lunge. Arms are high, hips face forward, firing up in both of your thighs. Big inhale, exhale, hands down to frame the left foot, step to the top, Utkatasana chair pose. This is the halfway point for this posture here today. After this one, there's only 2 more. Inhaling with your next breath, reach up, exhale, hands to heart center, setting up for dancers on the other side. Left foot stays, grabbing the right foot as you bend into the right knee. Option to hold the foot on the inside or the outside, find what feels comfortable for you. And then beginning to shift the chest forward, kicking into the right hand. Beautiful work. Big breath in, remember to breathe as you hold. And then slowly exhale, come out, reach all the way up, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Beautiful work. Halfway lift, inhale, plant the hands, hop or step back, taking a vinyasa. Hinging forward, exhale, lower down, inhale, shine the chest, back bend of choice. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right away, right side, lift the right foot, knee to nose, breathe out 2 more times. Inhale, reach, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift the foot, knee to nose, hold. Inhale, crescent lunge. Beautiful, big breath in. This time you can use your hands to frame your foot, or from here, stepping into chair pose, choice is yours. Second last one in our 7 days together. Remember to smile, keep breathing. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Starting into our dancer's pose on the left leg. Right foot stays, catching the left foot with your left hand. Begin to kick into the left foot as you hinge your torso forward. Reach the right arm ahead. Beautiful deep bend in the back. Amazing. With your next exhale, release, inhale, reach high. Breathe out, come all the way down. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, plant the hands, hop or step to the back. Take a vinyasa. Meeting in downward facing dog. Right away onto the left side, left foot high, knee to nose. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up 2 more times. Incredible. Last one, knee to nose, hold, step the foot, crescent lunge, reach the arms up. A few breaths in and out. Chair pose, come to the top. Sink as deep as you can here. Fire up in those fingers, ground in the heels. Amazing. Inhale, come up to a stand, arch in the back, hands to heart center, dancer's pose, final try. Left foot stays, grabbing onto the right foot with the right hand, begin to kick into the hand, and then find that beautiful expression of back bending. Releasing in the right foot, reach all the way up. Hinge at the hips, come down, forward fold, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, plant the hands, hop or step to the back, taking your vinyasa. Last one here today of the 7 days together, meeting in downward facing dog. Incredible, incredible work. All right, ready to finish off here with a bit of cardio, hopping or stepping to the top of your mat, forward fold, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale to release, inhale to a stand. We're moving right away. Hip distance stance here with your feet. Big breath in, exhale, elbow to knee, squat. Other side, elbow to knee, squat. Beautiful. 4 more times. Knee to elbow, squat nice and low. Again, elbow to knee. Beautiful. Keep moving with control. How deeply can you go? Side to side, we are doing this twice all together. This is try number 1. Working on getting our heart rates up, focusing on our core. Last side. Beautiful. And now finding some burpees inspired by yoga. Inhale, reach up, plant the hands, hop back, take a chaturanga, hop to the front. Again, inhale, jump high. Exhale, step back, lower down. Beautiful. Hop to the top, moving through your burpees. Safety first, of course. Take variations that feel better for you. Heart rate is picking up. Last one. And then again, we crunch, squatting elbow to knee, squat down, knee to elbow. Keep moving. This is the second and final time we do this before we find one more round of burpees. Opposite sides here, opposite knee to elbow. Beautiful. Squeeze and squat. Nice work. And here we go. Last time with our burpees. Inhale, jump, plant the hands, hop back, lower down. Beautiful. Again, hop to the top of the mat. Keep moving. Stay with us. This is how we finish. Emptying out. You have got this. Heart rate is rising. Nice work. Next time you hop back, lower into your chaturanga, lift the hips high, downward facing dog. You are done. Such great work. Pedal out. Take a big breath in. Exhale, lower onto your knees, glutes meet the heels. Then take a moment to bring your palms to heart center, bowing forward with gratitude for yourself. Thank you so much for being here. Day 7 complete. Thank you so much for your incredible effort and energy in today's practice and for every day that came before here on this 7-day challenge. It has been an honor and a privilege to move and to connect with you every day here on your mats. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. If you've not done so already, be sure to subscribe so that when future content programs like these become available, you are the first to know. I would love to have you along for another journey in the future. Until then, make sure you are stretching, moving, breathing. Maybe after today's practice, take some time to meditate or get into a deep stretch. You have earned it. Drink lots of water and tune in again soon for another class with me, Korrie. Namaste.